Hello everyone, Quentin here with Eagle 3D Streaming. We have a great video for you today. In this video, I will show you how to set up your instance for pixel streaming. Let's jump right into it. Now that I have my instance set up, I'm going to remote into it and set it up for pixel streaming. Remoting into it is fairly easy. I use RDP, and the way to do that is first click the Windows button on your desktop and type in RDP and select Remote Desktop Application. The next thing to do is to copy the IP address of your machine, and you'll know it's operational and running because you'll see this green dot right here. If it is not running, then if, for example, you see this dot, which is more of a gray, click the drop down and then click Start. That will start the machine, and then eventually it will become green, and that's when you know it's ready to use. Go to the RDP and copy the IP address and paste it in here and click Connect. It will ask for your security credentials. Now, if you remember, when we were setting up our our virtual server, you were to enter in your username and your password. And that's the reason why we need it, is because these credentials right here are the credentials that will enter into here. So I'll go ahead and enter my my username, and then I will enter in the password. And click OK. And that will start my RDP session. Now, setting up for pixel streaming on Coreweave is fairly straightforward. The first thing that you need to do is you need to go to Device Manager, and I always like to just confirm that I have my driver set up. So I click on Display Adapters, and then I confirm that I have the driver set up, which is great. The other thing that I need to make sure that I have is, of course, the application. So the way that I get there is I go ahead and start the browser. After I get through all those questions, and I paste in the Google Drive URL to my application. Now, of course, there's multiple different ways that you can transfer your Unreal Engine application to the Coreweave desktop. In this example, I'm just using Google Drive, and then I create a share link, and then I just paste that share link into the browser and I download my Unreal Engine application, which you can see over here. Once it's finished, the last step that I do is I just extract this onto the machine. And once it's finished, let's take a quick look inside. You'll see that when I open up my project, which is the built files, you'll see that what I have is all the files that you receive when you build your project for Windows with the pixel streaming plugin enabled. And once you've confirmed that you have all of those files here, then you're ready to go on to the next step, which is pixel streaming your Unreal Engine application locally on Coreweave.
And that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I will see you all in another future video. Until then, take care.
Upload your first Unreal Engine project on our pixel streaming platform for free. To create an account, go to account.eagle3dstreaming.com/sign up and get a free 7 days trial. Eagle 3D Streaming, it's just easier.